2008 Mini Cooper S. I just replaced the door handle. And look at this bimboism. Okay? You see that? Plastic. Let me see right there. That guy. Okay? So that holds the forward side of the bolt. The other one is all the way back there, and you can get to that through this hole. But this one, let's see if I can focus. 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 You can only, it's hard to, you can only, yeah, there you go. I had to drill a hole so I could see where the hell my Allen key is. So I gotta look through here with the Allen wrench. Let's focus. Oops. Turn it about 4 hours. And then go back in, line it up. Keep smacking the same part of the glass. It's great. And this is just dumbness. I mean, the glass is in the way. That's the problem. So, get a good look at that mechanism. Boy, that was not fun, putting that cable back onto that. Right there at the bottom there. See where the cable hooks in? So that was not fun. Anyways, 2006 Mini Cooper S R53. Had it since new. Spec ordered. 19 years old.